Today we're making possibly one of the greatest daiquiri variations that is out there. Hotel Nacional. And on this channel we drink and create memories together. Today we're making the Hotel Nacional Special. This is honestly one of my favorite drinks of all time. It has rum and it is a daiquiri variation, and that's all you need to know. Well, a couple interesting facts that you may want to know is that this drink was created in sometime in the 1930s when the Hotel Nacional of Cuba was built. At the time, the United States was facing one of the stupidest laws of all time. Prohibition. People could not drink at all, or alcohol wouldn't be able to be imported or produced. So a lot of American bartenders moved outside of the United States to Cuba to continue their passion and their careers. And that's when this drink was born. This daiquiri variation is simple yet delicious. It has ingredients that most of you may have at home, except for one: the addition of apricot liqueur. It's what gives this cocktail a subtle fruitiness and actually quite perfect for the spring. Without further ado, let's get behind the stick and make a Hotel Nacional Special. I'm already a huge fan of daiquiris and rum cocktails in general, but this cocktail is so good that you all should try it. This recipe is not exactly the good old classic version. Don't get me wrong, it's still similar to a lot of recipes out there. It's just a bit modernized. I balance the ingredients in a way that I think will make the drink enjoyable for most. One thing is, I absolutely love using fresh pineapple juice. I personally prefer to go through the hassle of making fresh pineapple juice. And in my opinion, it doesn't take too much to do so. But my friend Anders made the exact same drink, slightly different measurements, and with canned pineapple juice instead. And I'm sure it tastes pretty great. Go check out how he made this drink, after watching this video, of course. As for apricot liqueurs, there's a bunch out there. I like using Jafar apricot. You get lots of apricot flavors with a hint of floral and a good amount of spices and caramel that fits in perfectly with this drink. Alright friends, let me tell you something about the rum we're gonna use. Don Q Cristal. It's Puerto Rican rum. It's actually aged from 1 to 5 years. This rum, it's smooth. So smooth, in fact, that I dare you try it. But honestly, for the price, you can't go wrong with this rum. But any white rum you have at home will work. I'm gonna shake this drink with just one large 2x2 square ice cube. And I'm gonna shake that for a lot longer than usual. So get your chilled glass ready and start shaking your drink. And keep shaking. And just keep shaking. Pretty much keep shaking until your arms are about to fall off. There's a reason why I did all of this shaking with just one large ice cube. Having one large ice cube adds a lot more aeration to the drink without introducing too much dilution. Doing this with pineapple juice makes the cocktail have a nice texture and also creates a nice foam on top. Once you double strain your cocktail and let the drink settle for a bit, you can actually see it. You'll realize it almost looks like I added egg whites, but I didn't. As for garnish, some folks like to add a lime wheel or bitters on top. I actually like the cocktail as is without the garnish. So I'm gonna leave it like that. And that's the Hotel Nacional. Cheers. Let's give it a taste. What can I say? This is actually one of the greatest daiquiris riffs that is out there. Easy. This is light, bright, refreshing, fruity, has so much flavor. Everybody gotta give this a try. It's one of my favorite drinks. That's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. Share with friends, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers. Today we're making possibly one of my